We now present Pushpanjali. Pushpanjali, an offering of flowers, is symbolically also an offering of our devotion, our respect, and our gratitude. Through this piece, the dancers once again offer their salutations to Lord Nataraja, the eternal dancer, to the Guru, the one who shows them the way, and to all of you, our esteemed audience, for being here to witness and support their journey. With their bright eyes, sincere hearts, and those absolutely adorable smiles, the youngest dancers, students of Sadhana School of Dance, step on to the stage, carrying with them the purest form of dedication and joy. Let us welcome them as they present Pushpanjali, Raga Nata, Aditala.
तारितझं तझं तरिता तदिमित किट तक तक तदिगिणदु 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 तझं तकजं तकिटजं तक तकिटजं तकिट तगदिगु तदिगिणदु तझं तकजं तकिटजं तक तकिटजं तकिट तगदिगु तदिगिणदु तरित गण 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 तजोडु जोडु जोडु तदिमिरि दिमित किट तक तरित गण 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 तजोडु जोडु जोडु तदिमिरि दिमित किट तक तरित दण दण तजोडु तगु तदिगिणदु तरित दण दण तजोडु तगु तदिगिणदु तरितां तदणतां तजोडु तां तगदिगु 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 तारितझं तझं तरिता तदिमित किट तक तक तदिगिणदु तदिमित किट तक तक तदिगिणदु तदिमित किट तक तक तदिगिणदु तारितझं तझं तरिता
Thank you, girls, for that adorable invocation.